So if you saw the repair video to this, or the servicing video, it's a very good performer. So Sapphire X4000 is a Cybernet 134, and so it's like a Rotel 240. And basically the only thing amiss with it was that the channel display had a bar out, so we've had to change the display, and that of course takes quite a lot of doing. So this is one we'll put on eBay. I'm going to shed one set a fortnight, and that'll be this fortnight's shedding. Right, we'll see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. It'll go out with a brand new power lead and a brand new mic. They're 5-pinned in, and we only use these metal gold plated connectors. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, managed to find the volume control. So, I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready now.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger, we've got a tone control on this radio.
Roger that, so we're heading up
High.
the lane towards the end of it, past Woody's lane
Low.
on the left and the
Medium.
doggy daycare to come on the right.
We'll leave it there. Thank you for that. It's fine.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Well, we're not late.
Right, we're square-wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you guys to Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're almost square-wheeled for the temporary traffic lights.
Oh, there you back.
Yeah, they're a bit for the top of the hill now.
It's the pipeline.
No, I don't think so. I think we're done with that. Might be to do with the new estate going on down Wilsford Lane.
Roger. Roger.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Sapphire X4000. This is Cybernet 134. I'm using full 4-watt output. I'm using a standard replacement mic. Over.
Yeah, roger that. All received.
Excellent.
Crossing. Over.
Roger, you're going over Wilford Level Crossing. Got you at the Kelby turn.
We're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So, I wonder how many lights I'm lighting at this point.
Yep, 4 today, doesn't seem to be wavering.
Roger on that. Okay, so it's doing a 44 watt output and it's going 1.21 amps to do that on a standard replacement mic. And we've got low power on this, which is 7400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. And there we go on to low power at 400 milliwatts, touching 123 and back to full power. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yep, Roger, all received, no problems. A little bit of SSB in the background.
Roger on that. I'll have to get the international guppos to nick them. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level.
Yep, 144.9, 153.9.
Excellent, well that worked very well, so thank you, 10-0.
Roger that, 10-10.
10. And 21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yep, 144.9, 153.9.
Excellent, well, that worked very well, so thank you. Test over.
Roger that,
10-10. That was great. Right, we'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station, see what it sounds like on our standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Sapphire X4000 Cybernet 134 radio into our Midland 76900, also a Cybernet 134 radio, testing 12345, 531 on 4 watts, and with the standard replacement mic. Go to a low power 400 milliwatts, is a hum test. There we go on a low power 400 milliwatts and back to full power. Now we're on full power.